Hello and welcome back to Customer States. These are the worst mechanical nightmares, so let's begin. This customer stated that they accidentally put petrol into a diesel engine and ran it for long enough that it completely burnt through the catalytic converter. This customer brought in their vehicle stating that they needed a quick oil change. They denied a new oil filter and threatened to go elsewhere if the mechanic tried to upsell them on anything else. This customer brought in their vehicle stating that they just had their brakes changed by another shop down the road and felt like the brakes still weren't very responsive. This customer brought in their vehicle stating that they needed an oil change and wouldn't be upsold on anything else, like a set of tires. This customer brought in their vehicle stating that they installed their own exhaust, but thought they could hear something knocking afterwards, and wanted them to check out his installation.
Not on the rubber there. They've crimped that down. They've crimped that down. And then they're holding it up with fucking Sizal. The fuck?
This customer brought in their vehicle stating that after the oil change, they'd appreciate if the mechanics could give their car a quick cleanup too. This customer brought in their vehicle stating that they could feel something was wrong with their brakes.
So it ground down that far that centre hub just busted off the whole disc. That's cool. I haven't seen that
So I
yet.
didn't come yesterday. I had to do this.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe to Customer States to see more.